Hey guys, so welcome. And this is how to utilize keyframe animations in Instagram edits. So, first thing is just simply open up the Instagram application into your device. And now, once you have opened it up, of course, just simply go ahead and create a new project. So, just simply select the plus icon at the bottom right corner. And now go for the gallery and choose your video. Now over here, I have this video sample over here that I selected from my photos. Now guys, as of today, sadly, Telegram Instagram does not have keyframe animations, specific keyframes that you could do, like CapCut. So, guys, for the alternative solutions, what you could try to do is just simply select the specific video that you want to have the effect with. So, just simply go scroll over here and go for the effects. And from here, you will have certain effects that you could apply. We have a zoom in, we have a blur, we have a super zoom. So pretty much from here, you could utilize this option over here to have a key frame animation. So pretty much this is the best option that you have that is available on the application. I hope this video helped you understand more. Thanks for watching.